Welcome to Alvinsa Studio. Today, we're taking you to the heart of Hocking Hills, Ohio, where a modern container cabin redefines rustic luxury. Nestled in the scenic beauty of Rockbridge, the Pine offers a perfect blend of contemporary design, cozy cottage vibes, and the ultimate relaxation, a private sauna. Join us as we explore its stylish interiors, smart use of space, and the serene surroundings that make this getaway truly special. Let's dive in. The Pine at Dunlap Ridge is nestled in the middle of nature and offers panoramic views from a wall of windows that will take your breath away. As you enter the cabin, you are greeted with a light and airy living area with a hand-picked modern cottage feel. The combination of rustic elements and modern touches creates a unique atmosphere that is thoughtfully designed with the charm and home feel in mind. For ultimate relaxation, enjoy your very own hot tub just steps from the back door. We purposely designed the Pine to be perched on top of a ridge overlooking a lush, natural landscape that includes an isolated area of pine trees. The outdoor living area is incredible. Hot tub, two-person hammock, sauna, outdoor dining, privacy, treehouse-style deck, large fire pit, stunning views. The Pine is thoughtfully designed with a modern cottage aesthetic. It's the perfect place to curl up with a book and a cup of coffee or wine. Everyone loves the Pine's modern cottage kitchen. It's fully equipped with everything you need. Our guests absolutely love the quality of the beds, pillows, and linens at the Pine. Get ready to relax and drift off. The modern cottage aesthetic continues into the bedroom and is a serene and inviting place to relax or to freshen up before a date. Large two-person walk-in shower. Shower essentials like shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Heated slate tile floor. 60-inch custom vanity, bath towels, hot tub towels, washcloths, makeup towels, and hand towels, hair dryer. You have access to all cabins, outdoor living areas, and common areas of Dunlap Ridge. The Pine is located on a stunning 18-acre wooded property in the heart of Hocking Hills. The cabin is tucked away in the hills, and four-wheel drive or all-wheel drive vehicles are recommended and required in the winter. There is a seasonal stream and waterfall near the entrance of the property. Close to Hocking Hills, popular hikes, 1.4 miles to Rock House, 5 miles to Cantwell Cliffs, 1.6 miles to Conkle's Hollow, 9 miles to Hocking Hills State Park, 5 miles to Old Man's Cave, and just 10 miles to Ash Cave. Conveniently located just 10 minutes from US 33. Thank you for joining us on this tour of the Pine, a stunning modern container cabin in the heart of Hocking Hills. With its cozy design, breathtaking surroundings, and relaxing sauna, it's the perfect escape for nature lovers and modern travelers alike. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Alvinza Studio for more incredible container home inspirations. See you in the next video.